Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is your friend and mentor Girija. Do like, share and subscribe. I'm going to talk to you about simple sentences in this episode. First of all, why do we need different types of sentences? If you are a writer or a reader, it provides you with clarity, variety, engaging content, interesting styles and combinations. Sentence structures provides you with subject or word choices. It helps you to avoid repetitions. It gives you control on length of a sentence that you want to frame. It also offers you to alternate between long and short sentences. It gives you different sentence types. So keeping this as a background, let me take you through to what are the different types of sentences based on their structure. We have simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, and compound complex sentences. This is based on structure. So we take a look at the very first one, simple sentences. Let's start with an example. Suman runs. This is a simple sentence. Here, Suman is the noun or subject of the sentence. Runs is the verb or predicate of the sentence. Likewise, Jack writes. Sudha works. Important to note, this is a simple sentence or an independent clause. The simple sentence is also called an independent clause. Why it is called an independent clause? Because it can stand alone and it can express a complete thought. A simple sentence contains a subject and a verb. Jack writes. Jack is a subject, writes is a verb. When we add more information, it is called a complement. What does Jack write? Jack writes a message, Jack writes a letter, Jack writes a story, or Jack writes a note. Simple sentences. There are few variations in this. Let's take a look at each of them. The simplest one is it has one subject, one predicate. Latha works, he reads. A simple sentence is not always a short basic sentence. It can have two subjects with one predicate. Sita likes painting. So there is one subject, Sita. Sita and Ramesh like painting. So you have two subjects, Sita and Ramesh. This is also a simple sentence. You can have a single subject with a compound predicate. Gopal likes swimming but hates fishing. The subject is Gopal, but it has two verbs, likes and hates. So it is a compound predicate. You can also have a simple sentence with a compound predicate with more than one direct object. Gopal likes walking and swimming, but hates running and fishing. I hope you got this. Let's do a quick recap. The thief escaped. One subject, one predicate, and it is an independent clause. The thief and his partner escaped. Compound subjects and one predicate. The thief and his partner escaped but were later caught. Two subjects and two compound predicates. Thief and partner are the subjects, escaped and caught are the predicates. So rules for simple sentences, it must have a subject and a verb. It must express a complete thought. And finally, it must have only one clause.